Dami pa palang butas dito, no?
Ito na yung magiging kabiyak ng main door, removing the zinc on the metal sheet by sanding manually. This is how to make painting job for a proper adhesion. Something like it is ready for painting now. More cleaning on this area here. Oh yay! Epoxy primer painting is going on now. Here it is. This is the original door.
Joel?
Meanwhile at the site, steel jam is now fixed by welding machine. While checking the plumb level from time to time to ensure proper installation, header is such a part of the process, and there should be no room for mistake. Otherwise, the door touches the floor, making deep scratches that is not an option. So correctness in header elevation is a must, together with the plumb level to where the leaves doors is attached. It's time for break. Main door is now attached to the steel jamb to check the actual stand on both item, the jamb, and the door. Here is the other side of the newly fabricated steel door. So far, so good, they stand on a correct position. Now filling the holes with body filler. As you can see, we are wearing a gown, a foot sock, and a hairnet as their rules to every individual or visitors who wishes to work here. Almost there.
Kunting ano lang yan.
Two doors in one jamb are called French door, so this is now called a French door. Job done. Project name, Palalakihan ang door opening, part 3. Thank you for watching.